Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is an IoT based AI and IoT integrated emergency response system for women safety protection. So here we are using AI N8N tool. So it is sending the data to webhook and it is sending the voice alerts also. So we are getting the voice alert.
Stress requiring immediate assistance. Check the provided GPS location now and send emergency help immediately. Alert, alert, woman in distress requiring immediate assistance. Check the provided GPS location now and send emergency help
And we are getting the
immediately.
email alerts also. Okay, so we can press the link, it will show, and we are getting the data onto the spreadsheet also. Okay, so now we are getting the text alert with the Google Map location. Okay, and we are getting the one voice alert also.
Alert, alert, women in distress, emergency assistance required. Check the provided GPS location now and take.
So let us coming into the hardware part. Block diagram, power supply, HTML 88 and S52, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module, ESP32 AI thinker board AI module, and SOS switch button, emergency button, 16x2 LC display, driver AC, alarm 1 and alarm 2. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, power supply board, 88 and S52 microcontroller IC, 16x2 LC display, and SOS switch button, GPS module, ESP32 rover module. Okay, and alarm 1 and alarm 2. Okay, so now we are giving the hotspot internet, mobile data on, hotspot should be on. It will provide the mobile hotspot. Yeah, ESP32 module connected, women safety security system for women protection. Okay, so ESP32 module also connected. Now it is in the uh, publisher mode. Okay, so now go to publish. So 66. Okay, 66. Okay, now I published the data. Okay, now I am giving the input. Now person in trouble. Okay, so here open telegram. Yeah, yeah, SMS came, telegram message alert came, Google Map location. Okay, now it is sending the data. Okay, yeah, yeah. Email alert also came, voice alert also came.
Alert, alert, woman in trouble. Emergency assistance required. Please check the provided location and take
756 times
immediate action.
757. Okay, now it is updated onto the spreadsheet also. Okay, now you can press the link, it will show you on the Google Map. Okay, okay, once again, long press, person in trouble. Now it is sending the data. Okay, yeah, SMS came. And it will come voice alert also. So here it is creating the AI agent. AI agent is preparing the voice command, and it is sending through telegram voice alert audio file. Okay, so here we are using AI chart model and email alert, Gmail alert, spreadsheet, telegram voice alert, telegram message alert, and here it is collecting the data webhook. Okay, yeah.
Alert, alert, women in trouble. Emergency assistance required. Please check the provided location and take immediate action. Alert, alert, women in trouble. Emergency assistance required. Please check the provided GPS location.
So
and
this
take
is our
immediate
total
action.
block diagram of the project. GPS module, ESP32 AI thinker board, microcontroller. You can use Arduino board also. Otherwise you can directly connect ESP32 also. As per requirement I connected like this. Power supply board. So alarm, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, LED, reset button, restart the kit. Okay, IoT based AI and IoT based smart intelligent security system for women. ESP32 testing. So here connect ESP32 board. ESP32 is ready. So now person is safe. So now I am pressing long press SOS switch button. Person in trouble. Now it is sending the text alert. Okay, yeah, SMS alert came. Women in trouble, women safety alert, person in trouble, latitude value, longitude value. Press this location, it will go to Google map location, my place. Okay, so here voice alert also come. Okay,
Alert, alert, woman in distress. Emergency assistance required now. Check GPS location and respond immediately.
now
Alert,
here,
alert, women in trouble. Emergency assistance required. Please
okay,
check the
we are
provided
getting the
GPS location and take immediate
email
action.
alerts also.
Alert, alert,
We are
women in
getting
trouble.
updating onto the
Emergency
Google
assistance
spreadsheet
required.
also.
Please check the
Here
provided
we can add
location
date and
take
time
immediate
also.
action. Alert, alert,
And this is
woman
our
in trouble.
total
Emergency assistance required.
AI
Please
agent
check the provided
model,
location and
workflow
take
model.
immediate action. Alert, alert, women in trouble. Emergency assistance required.
Okay,
Check the provided GPS location and take immediate action.
thank you.
Alert, alert, woman in distress required.